On a road trip in the northern Georgia mountains, we stopped at Vogel State Park and Brasstown Bald. Daily parking is $5, payable at the visitor center. An easy walking trail loops around the lake. At the Spillway, there's a short trail leading to a stairway and viewing platform of the falls. In places, the falls trail is steep and may be difficult for anyone with balance and mobility issues. In season, small wildflowers abound. Brasstown Bald is Georgia's highest mountain at 4,784 feet above sea level. There is a $5 entrance fee, but is free for veterans and holders of a National Park Service pass. There are restrooms, a gift shop, and picnic areas. Walking to the top is free. There is a round-trip shuttle bus to the top. Its fee is $3, even if you decide to walk down. Well-behaved dogs may ride the shuttle and may be restricted as to where they may go in the tower building. Refer to the placards on the 360-degree viewing area to identify distant mountains, such as Clingman's Dome in Tennessee, Blood Mountain on the Appalachian Trail, and on a clear day maybe see the skyline of Atlanta, approximately 92 miles away as the crow flies. Thank you for watching. Please follow the link for more day trip videos.